Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about the top 5 best drone on Aliexpress under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the drone are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Are you ready to take your aerial photography game to the next level? Introducing the L500 Pro 4K GPS drone. This drone is packed with features that will make capturing stunning footage easy, no matter where your adventures take you. Its foldable arms make it compact and easy to carry, perfect for taking on trips or hikes. The 4K HD wide-angle camera can be adjusted by 90 degrees using the controller, giving you the perfect angle for any shot. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can connect to an app and stream real-time video from the drone straight to your phone. GPS-assisted flight provides accurate positioning information for the drone, ensuring that it never gets lost. The drone will automatically return to home when its battery is low or if it's flown out of range. The optical flow positioning system makes flying indoors easier and more stable, while altitude hold mode ensures that the drone stays steady in the air. Gesture photo and video modes let you capture amazing shots without ever touching a button. Just make a gesture and the drone will snap the picture or start recording. With up to 28 minutes of flight time, the L500 Pro has plenty of juice for all your aerial photography needs. The brushless motor is powerful and quiet, making for a smoother and more enjoyable flight experience. Finally, the quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, meaning it's both lightweight and durable. The L500 Pro 4K GPS drone is the perfect tool for capturing amazing aerial footage on your next adventure. Are you looking for an affordable and reliable quadcopter that can capture stunning aerial footage? Introducing the S136 4K GPS drone. This drone is packed with features that will take your photography and videography to the next level. With its 4K HD camera, you'll be able to capture high-quality images and videos from above. You can remotely control the lens angle up to 90 degrees for even wider shots. This 4K GPS drone also features laser obstacle avoidance technology, which enables real-time 360-degree rotation detection of the obstacle avoidance head. You'll never have to worry about crashing into anything while flying. And with the 5G Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your phone's app or APK system to take pictures and video and enjoy real-time transmission through the phone's camera image. The Wi-Fi FPV distance is up to 1,000 meters, so you can explore far and wide with ease. GPS positioning mode makes for more accurate and stable flight, while optical flow fixed point hover provides stable hovering. Follow Me mode is perfect for capturing active shots, as the drone will follow you and your cell phone wherever you go. This 4K GPS drone is also designed to withstand strong winds and support sea flight, thanks to its brushless motor power and high-strength engineering plastic fuselage. With headless mode and one-key return, you don't have to worry about adjusting the position of the aircraft before flying or losing it in the sky. And with its foldable arm design, this drone is compact and easy to carry wherever you go. So why wait? Order your S136 4K GPS drone today and take your aerial photography and videography skills to new heights. The S6S Mini GPS drone, the perfect combination of power and precision. With its advanced features and sleek design, this drone is ideal for capturing breathtaking footage and exploring the world from new heights. It is equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a 1080-pixel bottom HD optical flow camera. The S6S Mini GPS drone captures stunning, high-quality images and videos. The camera angle can be switched, and electronic anti-shake technology ensures clear and stable photos. With precise GPS positioning, this drone can perform one-key return, no-signal return, and low-power return functions. The 7.4-volt 1600 mAh lithium battery provides a super long endurance time of about 25 minutes, while charging only takes about 2 hours. Customizable flight routes allow you to draw your desired path on the app. This, combined with intelligent following, palm control, and map real-time positioning, makes this mini GPS drone easy to use and control. This mini drone also features gesture photography, brushless motors, and ultra-long endurance. Its mini size and lightweight make it incredibly portable and easy to travel. With left and right side flight capabilities, automatic switching between optical flow and GPS, and headless mode, This drone is versatile and adaptable to any situation. The brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, making this drone a reliable and durable choice for all your aerial photography needs. If you're looking for a powerful, precise, and versatile drone, look no further than the S6S Mini GPS drone. Introducing the K918 Max GPS RC Drone 4K, your ultimate aerial companion. Are you looking for an advanced drone with cutting-edge features that can capture stunning aerial footage? Look no further than the K918 Max GPS RC Drone 4K. This drone is equipped with a powerful 4K ESC dual camera that can capture crystal clear images and videos from all angles. Thanks to the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system, this drone can easily avoid obstacles and navigate through tight spaces without any hassle. The optical flow fixed point hover feature allows the drone to maintain a stable position in the air, making it easier to capture high-quality footage. With the gesture to take photo feature, you can easily capture stunning photos and videos without having to use the remote control. The drone's brushless grade 8 wind resistance ensures that it can fly smoothly even in strong winds, giving you more flight time and less downtime. The GPS positioning return feature allows the drone to fly back to its original starting point with pinpoint accuracy, making it easy to retrieve even from long distances. The waypoint flight feature allows you to set waypoints on a map, and the drone will automatically fly to each point, capturing stunning footage along the way. The K918 Max GPS RC Drone 4K is the ultimate aerial companion that will take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. Get yours today and start capturing breathtaking footage from the skies above. Introducing the Professional UAV 809, the ultimate drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features and capabilities, this drone is perfect for photographers, videographers, and anyone looking to take their creativity to new heights. The 4K HD camera provides crystal clear image quality, ensuring that every shot you capture is sharp and vibrant. And with the dual camera feature, you can switch between different angles and perspectives on the fly. With stunt tumbling capabilities, you can perform impressive tricks and maneuvers in midair. And when it's time to head back, the one-click return feature makes it easy to bring the drone safely back home. Safety is always a top priority, which is why the Professional UAV 809 comes equipped with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance technology to help prevent collisions while in flight. But what good is all this technology if the drone doesn't have the endurance to keep up? Thankfully, the Professional UAV 809 has a long-lasting battery that allows for extended flight times and more creative freedom. And with gesture recognition technology, you can control the drone with simple hand movements, making it easy to capture those hard-to-reach shots. Need to get a shot from a specific vantage point? The fixed point and surround flight modes allow for precise positioning and smooth, controlled movements. And with optical flow technology and powerful motors, the Professional UAV 809 can handle even the most challenging environments and conditions. So what are you waiting for? Take your creativity to new heights with the Professional UAV 809, the ultimate drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.